Hey guys, yeah, just minutes however, just up and down. Just wanted to do that. Yeah, I don't really listen. I just want to do this video. I know I'm not technically scrapping. No, this is a bit too big on me, but it's only a medium. But sleeves, it just fit me. Yeah. Just want to say thank you. Thank you. Well done to some people's channels where so in a matter of months since say September 2020 till February 2021, some people's is passed me by subscribers, and I just want to say some started in September, October, November, December, January and Feb, but I'm not going to start them all that. I won't be putting videos in the description. It's just going to be just an open video to get it out there. Write an intro or an intro, whatever. Yeah. Just want to say well done to Vandal Vlogs, Cycle Scrapping, Mad Matt Bucketlist. Trying to think who else. Let me look through YouTube. Let me just get my YouTube hat. Let me just put that to one side, that to one side. Well, it's smaller, not that. Just loading up YouTube. I'll go on to YouTube Studio. Yeah, just want to say well done to you guys. You passed me in the subscribers and you only started a month ago, and I just want to say well done to you. Yeah, so cycle scrapping. This Vandal Vlogs, Scrapman. I think Scrapman Dan. Yeah, Scrapman Dan. Went too fast. Mad Bucketlist. Yeah, just gonna well, Mad Bucketlist or that. This one looks at comments what I've been getting. I just one more person. No. That's it. Vandal, cycle scrapping, Mad Matt Bucketlist. Matt Vandal, cycle scrapping, and Scrapman Dan.